9 days old for our chicks.
I have discovered that they like to chase each other for odd little things like a piece of stem. I found that one
the last time when they were chasing each other around, and I kept it out so that we could do it with their next box cleaning. Watch the hilarity when they come out. There they are. Oh, she's found it already. Same one that found it the last time. Oh, it's been stolen. Now who's got it? The little one again. She may be little, but she gets her own. It's like a hockey game. He scores! They're hilarious. Oh, been stolen again. Double steal.
That's what they need, something to do.
They get plenty to do. They're always trying to get out. Look, nobody's even interested in scratching in the seed, which they normally have got kicked out by now. She's been hanging on to it for quite a while.
Yeah. Looks like she can't get it out of her mouth.
No, she's afraid to let go of it to get a better bite of it, or break a piece off. These guys are a crack up.
I don't think she can get it out of her mouth.
No, she just dropped it.
Okay.
She's saying, leave me alone, I just want to taste it. I just want to taste it. I don't think anybody's even gotten a taste of what it is. I just know it's a stem. They sure do enjoy it, though. Oh my goodness. They're starting to actually fly. That one flew about 3 inches. Just boosted herself. She's had it about the longest, but she can't do anything with it. Oh, now it's been stolen.
Give him a piece of string.
No. Oh. It's been a player change, little higher pitched voice. You're squeaky again. They haven't even been interested in the regular feed. Oh, finally. starting to give up, thinking I'll never get that stick. And she's not interested. All that play, and now they're not interested anymore. All done.
They tired off for a little bit.
I think I'm going to take it back. Nice one. And with that, it's signing off.